Yo, so we are here at GVE and we are having Pandora fitted on my Lamborghini Aventador SV Roadster. I have it on all of my vehicles. This is the final one, which needs to be done. Obviously, it's a new one as well.
Hey guys, it's Matt here from Pandora Car Alarms HQ, and today, as you can see, we're at GVE London, where DMO bought the SV, had the SV wrapped recently, which looks amazing, and now it's about to be Pandora protected right here, right now, with the one and only DMO package, the Pandora Smart Pro V3 with remote engine start.
Yo, so we have got the Pandora installed to my Lamborghini Aventador SV Roadster, and as you can see, the tracking system says that we are here at GVE, which we are at GVE. Also, I can lock and unlock the car from anywhere in the world, and I can also start the car from anywhere in the world. I don't think there is any other Lamborghini SV Roadster in the world with this device and function on there. And as you can see, the car is about to start right now. Just like that, Pandora is the way forward. And I can just turn it off from right here. There we go. Pandora is the way. I'm going to leave it to Matt to speak about it more.
The SV is now Pandora protected, just like the rest of DMO's fleet. Now this Smart Pro V3 with remote start is an immobiliser, alarm and tracking unit, but not only that, DMO will receive calls, texts and push notifications should this alarm be triggered the second they happen. He can even shut this Aventador down anywhere in the world straight from his mobile phone with the anti-hijack feature enabled. But this will also happen automatically. If DMO was to be pulled out the vehicle, this Aventador will stop automatically 30 to 45 seconds later and keep him and the car safe. Now on this we've got 5 sensors. You've got a dual shock, a tilt, motion and internal sensor. All of these will trigger and alert DMO should anyone be tampering with the car. On top of this you also have the gold standard of immobilisation. Even if the Pandora alarm brain were to be removed, the car is still immobilised. This obviously protects against relay theft, OBD port theft, key cloning theft and even key theft. This is the most advanced security system available in the world today. It contains 4G connectivity and Bluetooth 5. Pandora are the only manufacturer to have this technology in a car security system. Addition to DMO's supercar fleet is now Pandora protected. This is a world first. It's the first Lamborghini Aventador SV to be Pandora protected, and of course it had the DMO package, giving every feature and all the security we can offer. For more information, visit the website at www.pandoracarAlarms.co.uk, where you can also find your nearest authorised installer.